Welcome students, Standard 4th, Subject EVS 2, Lesson number 5, Shivaji's Education. So students, today we are going to study the beginning of Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit. In the Bangalore court, he had under his patronage artists and scholars of various languages. Patronage means students support or encouragement given by a person. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Soon, Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita on his own. To teach him warfare, Shahaji Raje had appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords, and also to use dandpatta. At the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Acquainted means knowing something. After that, students, soon Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expenditure to conquer the state of the Nayaks, that is, local chief in Karnataka. After that, Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. With them, he sent elephants, horses, and infantry, that is, foot soldiers, a flag, a treasury, that is, a place where money or other valuables are stored, and also trusted ministers, brave generals, and renowned teachers. Now students, we will learn about rejuvenation of Pune. Rejuvenation means to restore to an original or new state. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri. He could see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again and he became very happy. He remembered those days he spent with his Maula's friends. He played games like hide and seek, ball or top. They also spent their time in building small forts of earth. But Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Properties were damaged. Houses were demolished. Demolished means students to destroy. Temples had collapsed. Fields had become barren. Wolves roamed in the countryside. Pune thus was totally in squabbles and ruins. Squabbles means complete state of disorder or destruction. When the people living around came to know that Jijabai had returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Jijabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. People started settling in Pune. cultivating their lands. Jijabai had the dilapidated temples repaired. Dilapidated means a building or any object that is in a state of ruin. In the temples, worship began again in morning and evening. The town was again throbbing with people. Throbbing means to beat or sound with a regular rhythm. And thus, Pune was totally transformed. Now students, we will see the achievements of Dadaji Kondev. When Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. He was very faithful. He was strict but honest in his work. At about this time, a big Wada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. To encourage the peasants to till their lands, Dadaji gave them concession in the land tax for a few years. He raised peasant patrols to protect life and property from gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. He thus made the people happy in the fields of agriculture reform and revenue collection, the work done by Dadaji Kondev and the Nizamshahi. Remaining explanation of this lesson we will learn in next video. Thank you.